Hi, it's Mike from bookup.com. And if you're old school like I am, you can remember these tomes of opening theory whenever you got one. If you're a repertoire player like me, the first thing you did was open it up and go right down to your favorite pet line to see what it had to say about your opening preparation. But you just purchased something way cooler than any paper book. You got the Everett opening system, which is made up of two gigantic ebooks in Chess Openings Wizard format. To download these two gigantic ebooks, you'll need the ebook installer for Windows or Macintosh. You'll get that from bookup.com/login. When you log in, you have to use the same email address that you used when you ordered. Once you're logged in, you want to visit the Cow Systems eBooks tab. You may need to scroll down a little bit until you see whether or not you own the Everett opening system. And if you do, you'll find a link to download the Everett opening installer for Windows, or download the Everett opening installer in Macintosh disk image format. Pick the one that works for you. I'm going to use the Windows version. I'm on a Windows computer, so I went and found the Everett opening database.exe installer, ran it, and it tells me the publisher is me, Michael Leahy, and I want to run the installer. Once the installer is up and running, it will allow you to select the folder for installing your data files. Make sure it matches whatever folder you selected when you installed Chess Openings Wizard Express or Professional. For me, it would be C, and then users, and then whatever my username is on this computer, documents, Chess Openings Wizard. And then install the ebooks. I'm running Chess Openings Wizard Express on my Windows computer, but whether you have the professional version, the iPhone version, the iPad version, the Android version, Macintosh, you're probably familiar with this particular ebook, the Opening Guide. It's one of the sample ebooks that comes with every version. Let's open that up. What this is an overview of all openings, but with a very limited number of positions. Let's find out how many it has by selecting About this ebook. It has 4,464 positions, which is not a lot considering it's covering all the openings. So it's not going to cover any opening in any particular depth, which is why you just bought the Everett opening system. Let's take a look at what that is in contrast. Between the two ebooks in this system, there are not just 40,000, 400,000, 4 million, no, it's more like 13 million unique positions between these two ebooks. The ebooks you're looking for are Everett's half open and closed game and Everett's open game. Everett's open game is the one you'll open if you want to research anything with E4, E5. Any other opening, you'll be opening up Everett's half open and closed game. Let's open that one up and see what it looks like. What you do with it now depends on what style of player you are. If you pattern yourself after Magnus Carlsen and want to play a wide variety of openings, this could be the last research tool you ever need because it covers everything in, like I say, 13 million curated positions. But if you're a repertoire player like Bobby Fischer or like myself, then here's how you'd use it. First thing you do is look for your pet lines. So after E4, E6, I'm looking for my win-hour French Queen C7 lines. What does it have? So I could play D4 here. I can also just make the moves, right? D5, right? And then Knight C3, Bishop B4. Okay, and at this point, E5, C5, A3, Bishop takes, BC3, and the lines I'm interested in are Queen C7 lines. And here I can see that there are 5,932 curated positions beyond Queen C7 in the win hour alone. That is larger than the entire opening guide that comes with Chess Openings Wizard. So that's what you can do here. You research particular lines or take a look at a wide variety of openings between these two gigantic ebooks. But wait, there's more. Beyond the 13 million curated opening positions, between these two ebooks, they also seem to have a collection of what are possibly the most important particular positions to know in chess from the Lucena position and so on. How do you access those? Click on the Go menu and then choose Jump to Board Name. Now, something to notice is the author of this database is German, so much of what you're going to see here might be in German. Let's go down here to maybe Rook and Pawn Ending. Might White be able to win this position? Well, yes, if he can figure out this really cool move, which is to play c6 and let the rook hang. If you take it, you march on to c7, and all these checks are going to come to naught once that king gets down to c1. And there you go. White's going to queen and win with a queen versus rook and rook pawn. So a good move investing in the Everett opening system. Those 2 ebooks I'm sure are going to serve you really well. Let me know what you think about them. Drop me an email. Talk to you later.